The GoPro Hero 13 is GoPro's newest camera. Today I'm going to be reviewing it. So as far as everything, what I'm going to be going over in this video is, quality, value for how much the camera costs, and just pretty much going through all the features it has, showing you guys some footage. So basically, I use this as more so for, I guess you could say, an action sports camera. I like to do skateboarding, so that's pretty much what I use the camera for. So basically, I filmed a video with the GoPro in which I'm going to be showing you guys. And if you're more so just here for the review, meet me right back here at this time. Enjoy, guys. Hello, everybody. We have made it to the legendary Radnor Skate Park. I can't believe my girlfriend let me get this skateboard, guys. Look at it. Alrighty, guys. This is going to be the first skating on the new GoPro. Let's go. Yo, this is it's a beautiful night here. We're at the Rocks DIY skate park. Dude, look at this shit, bro. This is actually fucking insane, bro. It's cold as shit. They have a pile for free shit here, if you want a little fucking tricycle, this hat. I think this rail sticks a little bit out from the ledge, right? Do you think? So that was the footage from the video I filmed on this GoPro. This is not my first GoPro. I've actually had two GoPros. This is my second one. This is the Hero 7 Silver, and I used this camera for about 6 years. It did serve me well. Unfortunately, it does not work anymore. Got in the wash, so. Normally a GoPro would be waterproof, but the problem was that lost this little thing right here. Funny enough, I did notice that on this camera, they actually did fix that feature. It's got a little thing right here. It's much more durable. So pretty much, the reason I, wanted to get another GoPro was because, I was looking for some higher quality. My other GoPro was obviously getting old. It was starting to have some problems. And the fact that it lasted 6 years. And, I always hear people telling me they have a GoPro and it's like a million years old and they're still using it. So the thing is, it's a trusted brand. It's reliable. You pretty much know what you're getting. This specific camera, for the value of the purchase, I would say it's a great value. You're getting a high quality camera, especially if you're doing something like me where I like to do skateboarding. There's many different features you can use. It's an action sports camera, so you can use a head mount, you can use a chest mount, you can even put it on like a helmet or something. They give you two of these little clips right here, and pretty much it's like a sticky material. It's it's almost like a sticker. You put it on whatever you want to put it on, and obviously it films from there. I'll tell you what comes in with the GoPro. So for this one, I spent $350, plus taxes, $370. Pretty much what you get in that package is this GoPro right here, this little thing that ties the GoPro to the mounts and everything. You get this case, and this is one of my favorite features. You get two different little GoPro batteries. Now, what I really like about these batteries is you can pretty much have unlimited batteries and just keep replacing them. your GoPro could die, you just swap it out with another battery. And I'm pretty sure the batteries on Amazon are only like 30 bucks. You know, you get an entire battery. I believe they last around 120 minutes. You can just keep swapping them out, you know. There's different like charging stations that you can buy for them. Now, obviously those are added accessories, so you may be spending a little bit more money. I mean, it just depends what you really need it for, if you really want the extra time. The 2 batteries alone is, you know, it lasts you a pretty good time. Not to mention, you know, I mean, technology in general, batteries get screwed up all the time. One of these gets screwed up, you just pop in another one, which is, I think, an amazing feature. Now, I kind of actually want to get into durability with it. Obviously, GoPros are really durable. I put this thing through hell, and it did pretty good. This camera's durable. I actually kind of already had 2 people hit it. Obviously, there was no damage to it. What I actually ended up doing was, you know, just to ensure everything, I spent like $12 on Amazon. It has little screen protectors for this part of the screen, the camera, and then the front right here. And obviously, it comes with a case. So you get a case and basically 6 screen protectors because it gives you 2. That way, you know, when they get screwed up or whatnot. So I'll put that link in the description. But if you do end up buying this, I would definitely suggest getting those little cases and everything. That way you can ensure your camera's going to be durable. Either way, though, it's a GoPro. You can pretty much just do whatever with it, and it should be fine. And I mean, as far as quality, it's great quality, 4K. You can't really say too much about it. You come to expect it when you're, you know, it literally tells you the frames per second or whatever. So, I mean, it's great quality. It's 4K or whatever. You know exactly what you're getting as far as quality because it literally tells you. And I guess last thing I'll get into is just how I'm liking it so far. And I'm honestly really liking it. I think it's a great camera. I think it's the perfect camera for me, especially since, you know, I'm mainly filming the skateboarding with it. If you're thinking about getting this camera, if it's in your budget, I would 100% suggest it. Now, I definitely would account for some accessories if you're gonna buy it. Like I said, I would definitely suggest buying the case. That's around like 12 bucks. And then it does give you this tripod, but if you're looking to, somebody like me, for example, who's looking to set down a tripod and just film something, you know, you obviously can't set this down anywhere, so you'd need another tripod. And funny enough, that is actually what I'm using right now. Show you guys. This is the tripod that I'm using. So this was, I think I paid $23 for it. Not only can you use it for the GoPro, obviously, but I'm using it for my phone. I don't know if you guys saw, but that little clip thing that's in there, you know, pretty much you can just swap it in for the GoPro. Got like the same thing right here. You just put that in there and use it for the phone and the GoPro. But yeah, guys, hopefully this was informative and yeah, helps you make a better informed decision whether or not you want to buy it, or even if you're just thinking about it or think it's cool, you know. But yeah, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment if you enjoyed it, and yeah, peace out.